In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn multiple JPEG files or other types of image files into one PDF document. So I'll open up Adobe Acrobat. This is the Creative Cloud version. And on Mac or PC, you can select all of your image files. You can just drag to Acrobat. It will ask you if you want to create a single document and put all the image files into one document, and you can say yes. It will load all the files into your pages, and you can click Organize Pages, and you can rearrange your files. Then, if you just do Save, you can select a location, you can name it, and your file is saved as a PDF file.